In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the Do Not Disturb feature in Gmail. If you've ever been in the middle of an important task and felt distracted by constant email notifications, this function is exactly what you need. By using Do Not Disturb, you can maintain focus without being interrupted, giving you the freedom to work, rest, or handle tasks uninterrupted. The process is quick, easy, and flexible, allowing you to set aside time without the noise of notifications. First, make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your Google account options. Among these, locate the status option labeled Active. Clicking on Active reveals several status choices to help manage notifications and your visibility. From this menu, select the option called Do Not Disturb. Once selected, Gmail will provide choices for how long you'd like to mute notifications. You can choose a short 30-minute period or extend it up to a full 24 hours, depending on your needs. This is particularly useful when working on projects that require deep concentration or when you simply need a break from email alerts. Once your duration is set, Gmail automatically activates Do Not Disturb for that period, pausing notifications while emails continue to arrive in your inbox. A few tips to get the most out of this feature. You can adjust the setting anytime. If you need more time or want to receive notifications again sooner, just revisit the status menu and modify or cancel the Do Not Disturb mode. Remember to plan ahead if you expect important messages so you don't miss them. While notifications are paused, you can still manually check your emails at any time. Incorporating Do Not Disturb periods into your routine can significantly boost productivity. It helps block digital noise and gives you control over when and how you engage with your inbox. Next time your notifications become overwhelming, use this simple process to reclaim focus and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you bring more peace and productivity to your day-to-day life. Happy emailing!